Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Anastasia on Dress to Impress. I'm not going to do the hair again and the crown because I did use some accessory adjustments, but I will show you guys what I use and the color of the hair and whatnot. I'm just going to remove everything, like the outfit and stuff. Okay, now for the hair, it looks really weird from the back. So I use this hair in this color, so 68311D. I didn't do any accessory adjustments on that. I did use this one. Did I do accessory adjustments on that? Okay, I kind of did a little bit. So X.49, Y.48, Z.46, and rotation X at 0.58. And then for the hair, I used this updo. I didn't do any accessory adjustment. I did these like bangs here. I did a little bit adjustments, Y at 0.54 and scaled it to 0.55, and then I did this for like the back here, this hair. I did some accessory adjustments on that, Y at 0.40, Z 0.78, and scaled it to 0.16. And then for the headband, I colored it this color, F6C979. Y 0.52, Z 0.49, and scaled it to 0.37. And for the crown, same color, position it at Y 0.61, Z 0.52, rotation at 0.70 for the X, and then scale it to 0.32. Now for the fit, I always have to see if I remember what I wore. I did use like a Roblox item for the dress. I turned off see-through and I colored it that same color that I had on for the crown. And then for the top, I used, which dress did I use? Like, why is it? I think it was in this section actually. I forgot where it is. Sorry. Hold on. Let me find it first, guys. Oh, I think it's a currency item. It's this one, and I did type 2 in that same color in matte. And then for the skirt, like for the bow, I used this from VIP. Colored it that same yellow color. And then for the blue, I used this B4FAF1 in glitter just to give it that pizzazz. Oh my gosh, why did I remove the bow? Well, I'll do it again for you guys. For the bow at the back, I used this, scaled it up like quite a bit, and like positioned it like really down here, because that's where the bow is in the movie. And then I kind of rotate it so you guys can see the bow a little bit better. And that same color in glitter. I'll fix that later. Then for the sleeves, I used the Elsa sleeves here in the first toggle, and I colored it this color, FFD4C3, for the second and third toggle. And then I also used this as well in that same color, and then that one I did white, and then the last color I did just yellow in matte to match just the dress. Let me just fix the bow a little bit so you guys can see a little better. I'm just going to scale it. Whoa! Just change the color there. Maybe something like this. Actually, that looks fine. And that is how you can create Anastasia on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.